Alright, and now somewhere they ate you home for no war. Professor was say, wherever you turn, you will find someone who needs you. In your small way, try and positively impact your society and leave a true legacy. Wherever you turn, you will find someone who needs you. In your small way, try and positively impact your society and leave a true legacy. Tiawa ayana etoda ye dwen say enipa ehia mwa no gise ebi anyame ya dom ama wanyamanfo sika bebrebe bi pa ansa na watimi akọ se bia me kọ children's home we me koye se me kọ ha me koye donation me koye se ansa watimi bibi se what the blank for. But it is not like that. Baby bia before bia sometimes the people close to you omo anyomo ko bayi ni ade na e betimi aba say someone really needs you and na enya bribia so na de obetimi aye e de abo obi no eye material thing say e bia sikasem ana wo to bibi esum bu bi ama obi ansa na akoba say watimi e bibi de abo ano e to da kro betimi aye wanum kasa keke etoda ebetimi mpo aye serious keke abesri acho nipa akono unum say sometimes you can meet somebody and you smile at the person and then na onipa na feel good ebi originally onipa ne background na ohwe nanimu a utimi say ahomeka nim but onipa no expect say wo asimasi umpo besri acho no anampo be ka hello to that person, but the moment you do that unso onipa no ni su chete ne ya bia ni bibia krasa minim say what experiences are dey be there. It means that any man kiti bebre won mo ebetimi aye e de aboa afofo bebre ahomo won ye ho. You don't need to go far, you don't need to go searching, just look around you. Baby awo umpotem ho efie na wotim e mountain so anim ho ebetimi abasa ye adwuma mu, sometimes even at the church. But just one day you approach that person and say hello and ask how the person is doing, keke. That is all. The kasa impact on society, impact on crofo way ho. And yes say you betwen ya say nyame nkyire ya na me ya defo ansa na ebetimi aye bibia aboa obi o. Ebetimi abase kapre wan kasa ode ho kra wonni bi. Basa bi kan no wanum kasa keke ya obeka e de a kire obi no eno kura timi ye ade sonko esombo ma onikro no and forever that thing will be a part of that person na brabo na baby obedu bi obeka ho asem wo kina bu ni okwa that thing alone now ye no e betimi kura aye enkaye bi nenso enye sika na ade koye sa ade no enye japade bi ana hunya bi na ade koye sa ade no, but bia siri bi anampo kran wonum kasa bi mpo keke ene koye sa ade no. Just look around you, baby. Obi won mo say ye ni no aka ni mu asie ni area ote ono ani boss no nti ene say hia fu twom sare no ofi obi akra hello keke mpo kro nka bi common wave keke mpo kro wave bi baby bia obia. There is somebody out there who needs you. I'll bet me I extended that help no. Bet me I did that joy no. Bet me did that happiness no. Abasa for na brabum. Ewa bra and cost anything. Fakwa dream and look around you where you are and figure out what you can do in your small way and also positively a bit me impact on the society. Nenyame so be hia so. Your first was that my proud sponsors. Your boy